We've put the seafood in the gumbo. Now we just gotta let this simmer for about 30 minutes. But look at this. Got 2 pounds of shrimp in here. About a pint of oysters. And crab meat. This is gonna be so good. Look at that. This is so full of seafood. If you have a seafood allergy, this is not for you. If you just don't like it, stay away. But look at that. It's so good. Packed full. I can't wait to eat some of this. And then Lane's got over here some perfectly cooked white rice. Amazing. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes that we've been simmering the gumbo, and the last step is to put in the filet. I'll put 1 teaspoon in there. Get it mixed in real good. Alrighty. Lane's over there making himself a bowl. Go ahead and make yours so we could taste it and stuff. I don't want that much rice.
Well, this one has light.
Okay.
One oyster.
Soup spoons are in that drawer over there on the left.
Put me on video?
Yeah.
Stop. Put it down here. Put it down.
Pan down, pan down. Gordon.
How's it, yeah?
No, you gotta taste it.
You got a hunk of shrimp.
How is it? That's it? Thumbs up?
Good.
Here's the...
I may have put too much rice in mine, but...
I'm going in for a bite. Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Tastes wonderful though. We should have videoed the whole thing. We talked about it yesterday in the filet mignon video. But this came out so good.
Don't talk way too much.
Brother. What do you think mukbang people do? They talk and chew all the freaking time. Anyways, this is our lunch today, Sunday, gumbo. Delicious. Thanks for watching.